In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo on ChatGPT. First, make sure you're logged into your ChatGPT account and you're on the main chat screen. To get started with photo editing, you'll need to open a new chat or use an existing conversation where you want to work with your image. Keeping everything in one thread makes it easier to refer back to earlier edits and instructions. Next, look for the image upload option. On most devices, you'll see a little image or plus icon near the text box where you usually type your messages. Click or tap that icon, and your device will open a file picker so you can choose the photo you want to edit. Take a moment to pick the highest quality version of your image, because better quality in usually means better results out. Once you've selected your photo, wait for it to upload completely. You'll see a small preview of the image appear in the chat window. Before you ask ChatGPT to edit anything, think about what you actually want to change. For example, you might want to adjust brightness, improve colors, remove an object in the background, crop the image, or enhance clarity. The more clearly you describe your goal, the more accurate the edit suggestions will be. Now in the message box, type a clear instruction describing what you want done to the photo. You might say something like, "Please brighten this image, increase the contrast slightly, and make the colors more vibrant." Or remove the person in the background on the left and crop the image into a square. Be as specific as you can and mention any important details, such as which part of the image to focus on or what mood you're going for. After you send your message, ChatGPT will analyze your image and your instructions. It will respond with a description of the edits it recommends or would apply, and in some cases, tools connected to ChatGPT may allow you to generate an edited version of the image based on those instructions. If the result isn't quite what you wanted, don't worry. You can follow up with more guidance like, make it a bit less saturated, or crop tighter around the subject's face. Think of it as a conversation where you refine the edit step by step. Finally, once you're happy with the edited version, save it to your device. Download the image and check it in your usual photo viewer to confirm it looks the way you expect. That's all it takes to edit a photo using ChatGPT. Upload, describe your edit clearly, review the result, and refine until you're satisfied.